All out now.
Yeah, we've been talking about this for the last couple of days now. Just since last week, we were knowing that this risk of severe weather was here for Indiana later on tonight. And that's what we're about to start to see in the next couple of hours. We have had a few thunderstorms. They've been pretty isolated. We haven't had anything too intense whatsoever. 78 degrees right now in Indianapolis. We've got a few clouds starting to roll in, so skies getting more gray right now. Dew point temperature at 55 and our sustained winds at 25 miles an hour. Wind gusts so far today have been peaking over 40 miles an hour, and this is ahead of some of those storms. You can tell also in Lafayette, where we had some thunderstorms earlier, 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts as well. So a lot of us upper 30s, 32 miles an hour on the wind speed in Columbus, and that's the slowest thing we've seen so far. So just setting the scene for the environment that we're looking at for these storms that the storms are heading into. Low 80s, those are the high temperatures once again. 67 is normal. So another couple of days here, we went from getting our first 80-degree day yesterday for the year, and now we've got another one here for Sunday. 67 is normal though, and that 90-degree record in 1925. We are under risk for severe weather, so the Storm Prediction Center does have the same exact area as yesterday highlighted. We've just upgraded in the Lafayette to Kokomo stretch there in the yellow. So that's a level 2 risk out of 5. And what that means is we're really still continuing to keep our eye on radar and monitoring the situation as it develops. Right now on live radar, we are not seeing any thunderstorm activity. So good news there. We are drier right now as the sun starts to set, but once it does, we are going to be looking at the potential for some of those stronger storms to kick back up. And we think really the heavier storms and maybe more of the problematic situations could last until about 10 p.m. We think after that things will start to slow down a bit, but we've got some heavier pockets right now near at Lafayette and Kokomo, but really a lot of dry spots on radar at the moment. So again, this is something we're going to continue to monitor for the next few hours. And looking at the satellite radar in motion, you can tell that this is moving along a cold front. Right behind that's going to be much cooler air that is going to change up our weather pattern here at home. So we're going to say goodbye to those 80-degree temperatures as this cold front passes through. Right now, of course, temperatures still in the upper 70s, so we're doing well. We've got 78 degrees in Indianapolis. Remember yesterday, Indy was actually warmer than some of those southern states. Everybody was warmer than everyone, but 78, yeah, we're still pulling in that warm air from the south. And you can see the surface winds here. This is at the surface, and there's that strong push out of the south, pulling in that Gulf moisture with all of the heat. And at the upper levels, so the winds are a different direction and very fast over Indiana. And winds changing speed and direction with height, that's called wind shear, and that's something that's good to help get storms going. If the environment's right, which it is at home in Indiana, we're actually looking at a nice environment to keep storms healthy. So that's why we are monitoring to see if any of those storms do reach severe criteria. But again, so far today, we haven't seen that. Looking at the long-range pattern, you can tell we're under this thing called a ridge. So this warm air that's kind of blanketed right across Indiana under that ridging loop that you see there. And then the next couple of days, as we head into Tuesday, you'll see that pattern changes and we have more of that dip. So a trough that goes across Indiana, and that's going to bring in help some cooler air get pulled down from the north. Instead of pulling in our warm air mass from the south, instead of sourcing from there, we're going to be sourcing from the north, and it's just going to be much cooler. Speaking of the cooler air, we do have some last freeze dates ahead, so maybe if you're thinking about the planting, maybe wait until next week because we are just now passing some of these average last freeze dates. Now looking ahead at tonight and some of the storms that'll pass through, we are expecting anywhere from, again, about 7 to 10 p.m. to be some prime time heavier storm coverage. That's a look at 10 p.m. tonight, so some stronger storms may still be popping off, but it will start to die down. Now, not to say we couldn't get storms after that, after midnight, because it still looks like we could have some storm activity in the area, but will it be as intense? We're not thinking as intense. Starting off Monday morning with some showers and thunderstorms to the south, and then this will even start to clear out pretty quickly too. So about 2-3 p.m. Monday afternoon, we will see things drying out. And it'll be a nicer dry pattern. Setting up for just a minute there, you can see on the 7-day forecast, we'll get a few days of some drier weather, but it is going to be cooler. So we've got our temperatures pulled down into the 60s and 50s as we start off next week.
All right, Alyssa, thank you.